I thought I'd come and do a short follow-up video in Neepsend. Me and Mark Banham came along to speak to the small engineering businesses around here about 12 months ago at the start of the clean air zone, and they're really concerned. I think there's about 300 businesses or so in this area, small engineering companies, and they're basically being pushed out. You can see the work going on ahead round here. These are all new sort of works going off. So what they'll be doing is they'll probably be restricting parking around here. But if you look at the footfall at the moment, it's all sort of middle class and studenty walking around here. There's loads of cars around. There won't be the engineering companies because most of them won't be working on a Saturday. But there's been a big announcement from Sheffield City Council, from Tom Hunt, saying that the Furnace Hill and the Neepsend area are going to get a £60 million investment in housing. So I'm guessing that 67 million quid's coming from you and me through the government and being passed out to the private sector. I just think they're taking the Michael. I think we all saw the contracts the government were passing out to the mates during lockdown. And I think the developments in Sheffield now, a lot of them are being done with yours and our money. And the issue we have, and we need to start having a debate about it, the population of the UK has gone up from about 10 million since 1998. I think it's much higher than 10 million. So what we've done is we've sucked in massive amounts of immigration. Rather than actually automating businesses, we sucked cheap labour in, and now we're having to build millions and millions of houses. And do any of these houses ever go to local Sheffield folk? But I just want to give you a quick update on Neepsend, and I'll keep updating as time goes by. But we all voted to leave the EU for a reason. We wanted to control our borders. I mean, I don't think we should be having any migration into the UK for 10 years until we've cleared up what's happened since 1998. But that's just a quick update on Neepsend, an engineering area, but when you look at the footfall, the cars around, it's an overspill from the Kelham Island area. I mean, a lot of the stuff does need knocking down. A lot of the area does need knocking down, but I think the investment should be in small engineering businesses. But basically, the environmental people will come around once they start building houses here, and they'll start complaining, and they'll push a lot of these engineering businesses out, and this area will be cleansed of small engineering businesses, which are vital to the UK, but our government no longer cares or only bothered about building housing. So that's just a quick update on Neepsend in Sheffield.